Welcome to Venus, where extreme heat and crushing atmospheric pressure make it one of the most inhospitable planets in our solar system. In this segment, we explore the volcanic highlands of Aphrodite Terra, a region known for its towering mountains and active volcanoes. Moving on to Maxwell Montes, the highest mountain on Venus, we witness stunning vistas of rugged terrain and deep canyons. Despite the harsh conditions, some unique and resilient wildlife have found ways to thrive in this extreme environment. In this final segment, we delve into the mysterious clouds of Venus, where swirling patterns of sulfuric acid and toxic gases create a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere. Despite the hostile conditions, scientists have detected possible signs of microbial life floating high above the planet's surface.